The most important lesson 2020 taught me was to treasure the most trivial things around us. We had to learn the hard way that what we took for granted could be taken away from us in the blink of an eye. One morning we wake up, suddenly the world is on fire with diseases and catastrophes. In 2021, I strive to pay my full attention to my loved ones. I want to pay them my respect and give them my affection. On January 1st, I went on a trip back to my father's hometown with my family. I went to Cao Bang province, a city bordering China. It is up in the mountainous area of northern Vietnam, so the temperature was often below 10 degrees Celsius. The journey from Hanoi to Cao Bang took around 8 hours. After the first day spent visiting relatives, we went to the local market for breakfast. I had duck noodles, which is the specialty of the mountainous area, apparently. It was a steaming hot and soothing bowl of noodles that was much needed. After breakfast, we walked around the market and bought a bag of mandarins. Then we went to two famous sites of the province, Ban Dốc Waterfall and Ngum Ngao Cave. The noise of the waterfall was loud. It was growling and rumbling, letting foam into a lather at the base, the smoke coming up sparkled under early sunlight. The waterfall seemed to fuse itself into distinct threads of watery fabric as I approached. As I came closer, the water rushed down the mountain, roiling and bubbling, boiling and churning. It was amazing how when I could only hear the rumbling sound, my heart was full and my mind was calm. Then we headed inside Ngum Ngao Cave. Ngum Ngao means tiger's den. It was nature's work of art. The small entrance led us to a miraculous world. We could see sparkling 7-colored stalactites on the high stones. After years, nature has crafted stones' status, resembling human bodies, trees, animals, a fairy combing her hair, or a huge lotus bulb. I could still see water dripping down the stones from the previous night's rain. It was wondrous to be with nature. The rest of the trip was spent eating, commuting, chatting, and being together as a family. I was so glad and thankful for this trip. Connecting with my family was the best way to start the new year. The trip ended leaving me with so many lessons. I came back to my roots, and I am now grounded.